The flu is a viral infection that primarily affects your respiratory system, but it usually runs its course in about a week and does not require serious interventions. Symptoms of the flu include a fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.8 degrees centigrade, or higher, chills, cough, sore throat, stuffy or runny nose, headaches, body aches, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Although there is no way to cure the flu, you can treat its symptoms using home remedies, take over-the-counter or prescription medicines, and take steps to avoid getting the flu in the future. This video helps you how to get rid of the flu. Method 1. Using home remedies. 1. Use steam. Nasal and sinus congestion are common symptoms of the flu. If you are suffering from congestion, using steam may give you some relief. The heat of the steam loosens mucus, while the moisture helps to relieve dry nasal passages. Try a hot shower or bath to help to clear your congestion faster. Turn the water as hot as you can stand it and let the bathroom fill with steam with the door closed. If the heat leaves you feeling a little weak or dizzy, stop immediately and do not continue. When you get out of the shower, dry your hair and body thoroughly. Damp hair can cause you to lose body heat, which is not good when you are sick. You can also use steam by filling your bathroom sink with hot water and placing your face over it. Drape a towel over your head to keep the steam in. You can even add a couple of drops of a sinus-clearing essential oil, such as eucalyptus or peppermint, to maximize the sinus-clearing benefits. 2. Try an neti pot. The neti pot clears nasal passages by thinning and flushing the sinuses with a saline solution. The neti pot is an oblong ceramic or clay teapot that can be purchased online, in health food stores, and in some pharmacies. However, any kind of bottle or container with a thin spout can also be used. Buy the saline solution used in the neti pot in health food or drug stores. However, you can make your own saline solution by mixing half a teaspoon of kosher salt into a cup of sterile water. It is essential that the water is sterile or properly distilled. Ensure this by boiling the water for 5 minutes, then allow it to cool to room temperature. Fill the pot with the saline solution and, tilting your head to one side over a sink, insert the spout of the pot into one nostril. Slowly pour the solution in, which should flow in one nostril before coming out the other. When the water stops dripping, blow your nose gently, then repeat the process on the opposite side. 3. Gargle with salt water. A dry, tickly, or sore throat is a common symptom of the flu. An easy, natural way to deal with this is to gargle a salt solution. The water hydrates the throat, and the antiseptic properties of the salt fight infection. Make a gargling solution by dissolving a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm to hot water. You can also try gargling with apple cider vinegar and warm water for a similar effect. Gargle this solution up to 4 times a day. 4. Blow your nose as often as possible. Blowing your nose often is the best way to get excess mucus out of your sinuses and nasal passages when you are sick with the flu. Do not inhale mucus back into your nose because that can lead to sinus pressure and earaches. Method 2. Taking care of yourself. 1. Rest as much as possible. When you're sick, your body works hard to get you better. This drains all of your energy from your body, meaning you will be more tired than usual. This also means you need to rest more, since your body is working so hard. If you try doing more than you have to, you can make your flu last longer and make your symptoms worse. At least 8 hours of sleep per night is ideal, but you will probably need even more when you're sick. Sleep in and take naps throughout the day. Take time off of work or school so you can get adequate rest. 2. Keep yourself warm. Keeping your body temperature up will help speed up your recovery. Make sure that you turn on the heat in your house so that it is warm enough for you. You can also stay warm by wearing a fuzzy robe, by staying under the covers, or by using a portable heater. 3. Drink plenty of fluids. Blowing your nose a lot and sweating due to fever and increased environmental heat causes you to lose hydration. This can worsen flu symptoms and cause more symptoms, such as headaches and a dry, irritated throat. Try to drink more fluids than average when you're sick. You can drink decaffeinated hot tea, an electrolyte solution like Pedialyte, diluted sports drinks, eat soups and water-heavy fruit and vegetables such as watermelon, tomato, cucumber, and pineapple, or drink more juice and water. Avoid sugary sodas because soda acts as a diuretic, which causes you to urinate more and lose water. Drink ginger ale if you have an upset stomach, but drink more water. To check for dehydration, examine your urine. Very pale yellow or almost clear means you're well hydrated. When urine is dark yellow, you may be dehydrated and you should drink more water. 4. Seek medical help if necessary. There is no way to cure the flu after getting it, so you will just have to ride it out. Once you have the flu, symptoms generally last 7 to 10 days. If your symptoms last more than 2 weeks, make sure that you contact your doctor. You should also contact your doctor if you have difficulty breathing or chest pain, sudden dizziness or confusion, severe or persistent vomiting, seizures, flu-like symptoms that improve but then return with fever and worse cough. Change in mental status in a young child, i.e. more drowsy than usual, not waking up to stimulation like normal. Method 3. Preventing the flu. 1. Avoid sick people. To prevent the flu, avoid coming into close contact with people who have the flu. Close contact includes coming close to the mouth, so avoid kissing or hugging those with the flu. You should also avoid an infected person if they sneeze or cough near you. Any bodily fluid can transfer the flu germs. Also avoid touching surfaces the infected individual touched, which will be contaminated with germs. 2. Wash your hands frequently. Proper hand washing is the best way to prevent all kinds of infections. When you are in public or around a sick individual, you should wash your hands frequently. Carry hand sanitizer with you to use when you may not have access to a sink. 3. Follow a healthy diet. A healthy lifestyle can keep your immune system strong and help fight off infections. You should eat a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. You should also decrease your intake of fats, especially saturated fats, as well as sugar. Vitamin C is an immune-boosting vitamin. Although there is mixed evidence on its effectiveness to reduce symptoms, a healthy diet rich in vitamins and vitamin C doesn't hurt. Eat more citrus fruit, such as oranges and grapefruit, as well as cantaloupe, mangoes, papaya, watermelon, broccoli, green and red peppers, and leafy greens. 4. Stay stress-free. Practicing yoga, tai chi, or meditation can help you relax on a daily basis. If you feel stressed out, it's important for your health to take some time for yourself every day, even if it's just 10 minutes at a time. This can give your immune system that boost it needs. Stress also messes with your hormones and may reduce your ability to fight infection. 5. Exercise most days of the week. Research says that exercise may cut your risk of flu and make your flu shot more effective. Do at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise or exercise that increases your heart rate most days of the week. This keeps your body working in top form and helps your fight against different infections. 6. Get enough sleep. Chronic sleep loss can have many effects, including lowering your immune system. To stay healthy, it's important you get enough sleep every night. Adults should get between 7.5 to 9 hours of sleep. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. See you next one.